Often people ask me, Victor, you travel everywhere and you taste so many different foods. What is your favorite food? And without a doubt, I say Greek. What about some meatballs? And of course, a horiatiki, a Greek salad. I like to use these crisp rolls. They are Swedish. Instead of using regular breadcrumbs, soak them on whole milk. Don't use the skinny type. I don't like peeling onions. Take 2 large onions and 5 garlic cloves. Chop them into a food processor. Make your life simple. Very easily chopped. You don't want to have the flavor of raw garlic in your meatballs. Still crying. In the meantime, the crispy bread is now soft. Add the cooked onion and garlic to the mixture. Beef, pork, half a kilo. That is 1 kilo. This is parsley, and it's already washed. I use the stems and everything. Actually, in the stems is where the flavor is. Mint. For the mint, use only the leaves. I like it spicy, so I am going to put 1 chili. I use 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Oregano. Don't use fresh. A bit like a quarter of a spoon of ground cumin. It's very strong, and many people don't like the flavor. I love it. And then one of my favorite spices, nutmeg. Fresh. By the nut, and then you just grate it. Let's add some lemon zest. Okay, let's blend this. Oh wow, that smells tells you what your meatballs are going to taste. 1 whole egg, and now is when you mix everything. In the meantime, we're going to put about a cup and a quarter of chicken broth. And do you remember the lemon that we were zesting? We're going to continue zesting, but this time we're going to do it finer. The lemon juice. We keep it aside, and you will see what I will do with it later on. Flour. Oh, beautiful. And here we have it. Half a kilo pork, half a kilo beef, 38 little meatballs. Well, not so little. Quite substantial. Fry them for about 10 minutes until golden. Then finish for another 5 minutes in that lovely lemony sauce. You're probably wondering where this sauce is coming from. Let's try it. Oh my God, that sauce. Do you remember the chicken broth, the juice of 1 lemon, and the lemon zest that I put aside? Then I whisked an egg yolk and took the meatballs apart, poured the mixture on the oil where I cooked the meatballs, and that is what that sauce is. Come, join me. Some Greek flatbread, tzatziki, oh, those lovely meatballs, a little bit of horiatiki, Greek salad. By the way, they are called keftedes.